Welcome to the online virtual practical on installation and servicing of split air conditioner. In this session, you will be able to explain installation guidelines and servicing of split air conditioner. Split air conditioner is the application of comfort air conditioning in which temperature inside the closed room or cabin is maintained below the surrounding temperature. Working of split air conditioner is based on vapor compression cycle, which consists of vapor compression refrigeration system. Temperature of closed room or cabin is maintained by using split air conditioner in the range of 24 degrees Celsius to 26 degrees Celsius along with relative humidity of about 55%. Refrigerants used in split air conditioner are R22 or R410. Split air conditioner is available under the tonnage capacity range of 0.5 to 3 TR. For size of room of 100 square feet, about 1 TR split air conditioner is recommended. Split air conditioner has two units. Indoor unit, which consists of cooling coil and expansion valve. Indoor unit produces cooling effect inside the room. Outside the unit is outdoor unit, which consists of compressor and condenser. Condenser rejects heat which is being absorbed from the room air to the atmospheric side. Correct installation of air conditioner unit ensures proper cooling inside the cabin. It ensures efficient performance of the unit, lowers service and maintenance cost, ensures that the unit draws less energy, thereby reducing your monthly electricity bill. It also improves the life of air conditioner. So important guidelines for installation of split air conditioner. So based on indoor unit and outdoor unit, the guidelines are: for installation of indoor unit, it should be ensured that wall that will hold the indoor unit is strong enough. The indoor unit of the split air conditioner should have at least 10 to 15 cm of open space around its top and sides for better air circulation. Location of the indoor unit should be in such a way that the cold air should not be flowing directly the door, which is open frequently, but away or sideways from it. This is the incorrect location of split air conditioner, in which direct blow cold air onto body carries away heat and moisture at a faster rate, so it may feel too cold. So correct location of split air conditioner is shown here. The indoor unit should be installed at about 2.1 meter to 2.4 meter in height for ease of service. Else the service will be much difficult and takes a longer time. There should be no object in front of the air conditioner that will block airflow and will reduce the performance of the air conditioner. There should be gap at least a 50 mm to 100 mm between the air conditioner and the ceiling to allow sufficient space for good return airflow, which will produce better air circulation inside the room. Guidelines for installation of outdoor unit. Outdoor unit should not be exposed directly to the sunlight, as sunlight falling on the outdoor unit will do impact on the performance of the condenser. So the outdoor unit should be installed at a shaded place. Outdoor unit houses all the crucial parts like compressor and condenser. So compressor is device or element which produces vibration. Hence, outdoor unit should be placed on flat surface in order to reduce the vibration. Also, select the position of outdoor unit where the condensing water can be easily drained out. Outdoor unit located at a higher than expected height leads to arise difficulty to the technician to reach it for the cleaning. It should be ensured that gap between the wall and outdoor unit is as per the recommendations of the manufacturer. Also, ensure right insulation of the copper pipe transferring cold refrigerant to the indoor unit. Distance between the indoor and outdoor unit is important. The closer the distance between them, the more effective the performance of the air conditioner unit. Servicing of air conditioner consists of cleaning of air filter and fins, cleaning of condenser and evaporator coil, cleaning of condenser and evaporator fan, leakage check of refrigerant in the split air conditioner, drain pipe cleaning, and overall inspection of the air conditioner unit. So, cleaning of air conditioner, in which cleaning of dust adhering to the filter using a vacuum cleaner. Washing fins of outdoor unit with warm water below 45 degrees Celsius with the natural detergent in order to remove the dust particles which are accumulated on the fins. Brush in the direction of the fins with a nylon bristle brush in order to increase the life of fins. Cleaning of evaporator and condenser coil is done periodically. Also, periodically cleaning of evaporator and condenser fan in order to remove the dust, and it will enhance the heat transfer rate. For proper functioning of air conditioner unit, there should be sufficient charge of refrigerant inside the system. So periodical refrigerant leakage detection is required. In case of clogged AC drain pipe, cleaning of the drain pipe is done. And finally, overall inspection of the air conditioning unit is required. So at the end of this session, you can explain installation guidelines and servicing of split air conditioner. If you like this video, please subscribe and share. Thank you.